Namaste to all who are watching this video, and my pranam to Shweta ma'am. Uh, it was really a wonderful, divine thing to get connected with Shweta ma'am through this beautiful workshop. Pay it forward with Hooponopono. Uh, I am Mrs. Sane, and I had studied few of such modalities earlier. Uh, I also had googled about Ho'oponopono long back, but somehow I didn't really was able to know how to do it. So especially in this beautiful workshop of uh, Ho'oponopono, which Veta ma'am, which was of 5 days, I learned some very beautiful techniques that she taught us, and I really appreciate the way she has given her wonderful time to us, and her great commitment towards her work. And the workshop was so much well planned that even uh, the team members, team leaders like Toshi ma'am and others, they worked indeed very well as a team, and it was such a great experience to experience different beautiful meditations that Shweta ma'am led us through, and it was indeed wonderful to learn this beautiful modality from her. So, dear Shweta ma'am, please accept this testimonial from me as the gratitude from as a token of gratitude towards you from me, and I bless from bottom of my heart, and I wish you all the best for your beautiful, wonderful future of transcending beliefs. And I would highly recommend to all the viewers who are watching me today to learn these beautiful technique, which uh, adds a lot of value in your life, in your even physical life, or in your spiritual life especially. So thank you so much once again, and pranam.